Hello, and today I'm talking about our topic today. Where's my favorite place in UTE? In my opinion, my favorite place in UTE is the campus in front of the central building. Actually, I didn't know the real name of it. I just figured out that name. So for me, why that's the best place in UT? Because it's a full of grass and has very many trees in there. It's like every time I have to study and working hard and feels like so stretch, so many pressure put on my head. The first place I wanna go is there. Go there, lying down on the grass under the tree, feels so peaceful. Everything, like every pressure's gone away. It feels so quiet and also feels so, I don't know how to say it, so good. Okay. And another reason, because in there I can see very much activities there. Sometimes I see people playing guitar in there. I love playing guitar, but I don't know how to play it. But I love watching them playing guitar and all singing too. And sometimes I see some club playing games in there, like Dream High or Skill Club and ESC Club too. I saw them once, and also not just a club, it's just some friends playing games in there. Uh, People grabbing their hands and make a whole big circle and playing games. So every time I see that, I just want to go and play with them, and so that I can make friends, I can learn more, and I can have so much more fun. That's why for me, that's the best play in UTE. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.